guys, so today I am here with an unboxing, a new hair. Yes, I went a lot shorter. It's easier, it's cooler for summer. I hope you like it. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see changes like this sooner. And just what I'm up to on the daily, on my stories, and photos of my baby, of course. Okay, so today's unboxing is unicorn themed. I stumbled upon this profile on Instagram. I think it's pronounced Smoko, S-M-O-K-O, now, all one word. Apparently, it's a shop based out of California, all adorable stuff. Lots of unicorn things, which is what sucked me in. They sell things individually, but they also have themed boxes you can buy. So I got the unicorn one. And I want to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. I have never interacted with the company. This is a true, innocent customer experience from start to finish. Like I said, found them on Instagram. I started following them, of course, because I like cute things, of course. Went to their site, saw even more cute things, and got sucked in to buying this box, which was $55 of my own money. All right, and what was nice is it actually got to me really fast, like within a few days. I did already open it because I thought there was a cuter box with everything in it inside of it, but everything is actually just in this one. Order information, a little bit of purple tissue paper. Right on the top, there is a unicorn plush and a nice size too. Do you see this compared to my head? Let's bust it out of here for full effect. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, it's a light up pillow. Locate battery box through opening. Install 3 new AA batteries not included. And I don't have any. I will hopefully get some soon though and do a cutaway to show you it lighting up. I'm gonna put this on the floor because it's just too big. Next to the pillow was this. Looks like a little bag, little unicorn bag. I just can't, you guys. I melt for stuff like this. Look at how cute its face is. It is a little bag. Oh, pink hearts on the inside. Oh my goodness. I could yell. I could scream for joy right now. Slippers. Unicorn slippers. Do you guys know that I have a slipper collection and kind of an obsession with socks and slippers? You guys, these are legit and so pretty and heavy duty. Look at the gold horn. I think I've confused my baby girl because I'm always wearing crazy fun socks or animal themed slippers. Like right now, can you see I have little cat slippers on my feet? So when it comes to mommy, she thinks my feet are toys. These are measuring cups. Amazing. Oh, that is the best. And they're all different colors. There's a purple, pink, blue. On to the last 2 items. This looks like a keychain, a big fluffy keychain. Yes, it is. Ooh, big pink furry ball on this end, gold, and then the cutest little unicorn. What is it with things that have especially large faces that is so adorable? I know that's why I think my baby is so cute. I always say her head and face are shaped like pop toys, like the Pop Funko toys. And the last thing, it says unicorn ambient light, yellow. Awesome. Looks like it needs batteries and it's screwed shut right now, so I will do a cutaway to this as well. I'm hoping this might serve as a good replacement for Olive's nightlight because it's just too bright now, especially now that she's a little older and more aware. This might be better in her room. Well, I am super happy with this box. Totally worth the money in my opinion because this stuff is legit full size goodness. I will put info and their site and their Instagram handle in the description box. If you like unicorn stuff, this box is such a treat. If you know someone who is a unicorn fan, this would be an amazing gift. Oh, and if you have other boxes you're interested, curious about, want me to check out, want me to unbox for you, want me to review, leave a comment and let me know. Check out my other unboxings if you just can't get enough. I have a playlist. I will also put that in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Peace!